Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Transport Minister and Dabolim MLA Moveen Goodinho on Friday stated that the Chikalim Subdistrict Hospital is running very efficiently despite a shortage of staff. During the cabinet meeting, Goodinho urged the upgradation of the hospital, additional doctors, nurses and staff members and more equipment.
Improvement it is one of the best sub-district hospital today. It is run very efficiently. Even कमी लोक असताना ते कोविड टाइमा आम्ही पळयला कशे लोका म्हणजे सुविधा मेळ्ळा ती मुद्दम याद करता. ऑक्सिजन सुद्धा नासले तेन्ना आम्ही मॅक्सिमम त्यो टँक्स हाडून हिंगा दिले कोविड टाइमा हुंय चिकालीम हॉस्पिटला. आणि आमचे डॉक्टर रिस्क घेवन माझे कार्यकर्ता थोडे रिस्क घेवन लोका पेशंटा थिंगा पावयताले. इवन दॅट टाइम आम्ही लोका त्रास जावपाक दिवना आणि बरे एफिशियंटली सगळे हँडल केले. हे भाशेन म्हाका दिसता आमचे काम फुडाराकूय चालू आसतले आणि म्हाका दिसना आमची पेस कमी जातली म्हणून कामां जाता ते. आजूच कॅबिनेट मिटिंगे हांवें मान्य मुख्यमंत्री आणि आमचे भलायकी मंत्री तेकाय सांगला म्हाका अपग्रेडेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टाफ जाय. आमचे चिकाली हॉस्पिटल इतले लोक आता हिंगा उलयला तशे बाब सुनीला सांगले इतले लोक येता. I want more doctors, I want more nurses, I want more support staff, I want more technical people, I want more equipment. तेणे दिता आम सांगला and you will see the improvement after some time.
Celebrate the joy of gifting this festive season with Bhagyalakshmi Cashews and Dry Fruits, your trusted destination for premium dry fruits, cashews, chocolate, sweets, and exquisite handicrafts in the heart of Panjim. We have elegant dry fruit boxes and imported chocolate to lavish gift hampers and handcrafted treasures to make your celebrations truly special. Enjoy exclusive festive offers for family, friends, or corporate gifting. Visit us at Shop number to Marwa Hotel, AMG Road, near Don Bosco School, Panjim. Shop number 40 Section 2, New Municipal Market, Panjim. Bhagyalakshmi, where gifting meets tradition.